Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best Z-Wave door sensors in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Aqara door and window sensor. This product on our list comes from the brand called Aqara. Their smart door and window sensor is definitely a worthy option to invest. This window and door sensor is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Apple HomeKit. You can connect it with countless smart devices. This sensor is also energy efficient and the battery usually lasts for over 2 years under normal usage conditions. Apart from the doors and windows, it is also compatible with other fixtures with similar mechanisms like cabinets, drawers and others. Number 2. Our second best pick is EcoLink Z-Wave Plus Rare Earth Magnets Door and Window Sensor. EcoLink has one more smart door sensor to offer you on our picks. If you didn't like the previous choice from EcoLink, check out the next option as it might be more suitable for your taste. The EcoLink Z-Wave Plus door and window sensor offers a similarly low-profile design as our previous pick. But, it operates on the Z-Wave Plus technology, which makes it a better choice than most Z-Wave door sensors. It is capable of working with Samsung SmartThings, Vera, HomeSeer, and many other Z-Wave hubs. The battery is already installed on the unit. All you need to do is pull the battery tab to activate the door sensor. Number 3. Our third best pick is EcoLink Z-Wave Plus Garage Door Tilt Sensor. EcoLink is a well-known brand for Z-Wave devices, and you will see multiple options designed by EcoLink on our list today. The following option from EcoLink is already a choice of thousands of Z-Wave smart home users. Coming in the first position, we have the EcoLink Z-Wave Plus Gold-Plated Smart Door Sensor. It is made up of industry-leading gold-plated components so that the chances of internal damage are close to none. The sensor comes with a flush mount bracket, which certainly helps at the time of installation. Once the device is mounted, all you have to do is insert the battery, and you are good to go. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Aeotec TriSensor Z-Wave Plus Sensor. Though Aeotec is not a well-known brand in the market, its Z-Wave door sensor has grabbed second position in our list because of its efficiency and reliability. Their TriSensor is equipped with 3 different sensors as its name implies. Despite having 3 most essential sensors, it is quite compact in size. The 3 sensors include a motion sensor for monitoring the room's occupancy, light intensity sensor for managing connected lighting and temperature sensor for managing the environment. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is ThirdReality Zigbee Contact Sensor. The next product on our list comes from ThirdReality is a Zigbee standard compatible door sensor. It works well with Echo, Echo Plus and Echo Show, Echo Studio, Aero Pro, SmartThings, Habitat and Aeotec. It is compatible with most of the windows and doors of the house. It uses 2 AAA 1.5V alkaline batteries which usually last for about 2 years. And you can replace them with new ones easily once the battery is completely drained. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.